The significant reduction in the amount of government borrowing that stands at 612 billion is said to provide more space for private sector credit growth. The macroeconomic environment further provides a leveled ground upon which the private sector should be able to yield results.
The stable macroeconomic environment that makes the private sector plan better, know how best they can put their inputs into production, and just enjoy the ability to produce in a stable macroeconomic environment where the price levels are stable and low. And that we have achieved this financial year, and that remains our mainstay in terms of macroeconomic management.
The private sector, however, cannot stand aloof from investment in infrastructure development as they are interdependent.
The government is now very focused. We had to do infrastructure. And people talk about investing in roads and we're not getting a return. We are certainly getting a return. Maybe the biggest return right now has been in roads. And you don't see the internal rate of return on that investment today. It takes time. You've got to wait 25 years to see what the road to Gulu meant, what the road to Nimule meant, what the road to Busia New Road meant, the road to Kavale. All these roads will eventually bring tenfold return, not sixfold or fourfold as they talk about in America. But here, because we're coming from a low base, it could be as high as tenfold.
Even at this point in time when Uganda Revenue Authority has already hit the targeted 11.5 trillion, the Private Sector Foundation presents the need to increase the rural income base to achieve the projected 12.9 trillion revenue.
So they tax you where you make a profit. Where you employ people, they pay as you earn because they are earning. So we need to empower our people in the rural areas so that they also earn enough money that the government, they can also start contributing because they want roads, they want electricity, they want clean water, they want clean schools, they want health. How will the government help them if you're not contributing? We must get a return on everything we do. Government is the people and the people are the government. We should not see them as opposite sides.
With the 8 billion that has been allocated towards tax registration expansion project and improved efficiency in tax collection, there is hope for continuous reduction in government borrowing in the consequent financial years. Nancy Okwong, WBS Business, Kampala.